President Ardent, guys. This is my favorite. Mention color, banyak banyak caprangka itu, banyak bromada, kakur, kakur, kasi mention kakar. Hello Meghalayan, hello Khasi people, hello PAITBAH. I'm trying to speak some Khasi language also, guys. They say kumno pilong paralo, kumno pilong PAITBAH. Welcome back everyone. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi from South Sudan, and today we are reacting to one song here by the title KSAN THMA, official music video composed by E.W.KHARSAHNOH. So actually the singers here in this music video, guys, they one here is one of my inspired leader by the name President Ardent, guys. He's the president of VPP, and I'm reacting to this song because you know what is happening in Meghalaya now. People are celebrating the victory of VPP, so I'm so proud also to share and to react, to celebrate with you, since I'm not in Meghalaya, but soon, guys, I'm coming to Meghalaya. I just want to reach 50k, guys, 50k, make it 50k, and definitely I'll confirm my trip to Meghalaya very soon, Shillong, and I'm going to listen to President Ardent. So congrats VPP, congrats PRAH, guys. Let's sing this song. I don't know Khasi, but I know only the basic little bit Khasi language, guys, and subtitle is here, so I'm going to sing in Khasi language for you guys, so kindly stay tuned. I'm requesting everyone from Meghalaya, kindly support my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel, it will cost you nothing. Kindly do it, guys. PRAH, let's do it. Congrats Dr. Ricky and President Ardent. Let's do it now. Let's go. PRAH, mana mana PRAH. KSAN THMA. Let's go. Composed by E.W.KHARSAHNOH. Hoi 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 hoi. Hoi 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 hoi. I'm telling. Hoi 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 hoi. Listen. Pyrta. Kasur kapasai. Pawar. Hey orang sai. Mentai. Alena kendai. Yes, I'm getting something now. Kadang tidak dan syernang, bantu syakang ramalan kalang. Oi 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 oi, oi 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 oi. Ban ban THMA, turakala waita udara kasih. Yee, I'm getting. Yeng. Tu yang kakeri. Once again. Shillong to Meghalay ati banenya banya badata karihi. Jumpa dosa jumpa ale. Seraikan dan bantarat. Oi 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 oi. Oi 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 oi. Tadi karasong malati rebo bapi dan sanglau. Oi, 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 oi. Here is President Ardent, guys. This is my favorite. Mention color. Banyak banyak caprangka itu, banyak bromada, kakur, kakur, kasi mensin kakar. Wow. Samla duka basadan Batur Shakata Madale Kakalem Kenram Kalem Kenram Kalem Kenram Tuyeng Tuyeng Kunanay Shapangka Tumila Di IT Bayang Parenda Banda Kari. Woo! I'm getting something, man. Banjuk no what ya let Sari gai dan bakar karet. Balama kari kodin kason balatrie bago kikun salajong. Oh, how is it, guys? Oh, oi. VPPP, VPPP, VP to the world, VPPP, VP to the world. Khasi KSAN mensin jangan kadai. Kadakasin balabu kasi Kirangati kari kasi Yala kajinggel gati Baing ya nakalakari Gakot kenyan kopan kantang mai Shamadan yalan bapikun kasipay Samari kakasi Laway baparnika Syongtang kaapi. Woo! I got this one. Laway paperna kasyongta api. Syamantungila de ayati Bayeng ba ayara na bentakakari. Guys, share this song to everyone. Share it. I love it. Share this song, guys. Share this song. Share the music. Kunsam la la jong. Kunsam la la jong. Balature borbaki somla kajong kung saham la lajong balatre borbaki kon samla lajong. PRAH forever, VPP to the world. Guys, this is the best song ever. Like, I feel okay. I just feel like I really did 50%. Like, I even felt good, guys. I feel like I'm a khasi. I feel like I'm a khasi, guys. Like, oh my god, I can't believe that I sang this song, man. I'm so happy that they gave subtitle. Before, I used to complain that about English subtitle, but now I don't care, guys. All I want is just subtitle. Whether it is in khasi or English, I will just sing it. As long as I can read English, that is enough for me, guys. I'm really so happy to sing this song with you guys. Though I don't know the meaning, but I know this is a powerful song since we have, or you have, the powerful leaders, Dr. Ricky and President Ardent, ruling or leading this place or Meghalaya, guys. I know whatever song will be concerned or related to them, it will be powerful, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for suggesting this song, guys. Just tell me the meaning of the title, guys. KSAN THMA. What does it mean, guys? Anyway, PRAH. God bless you all, Meghalaya VPP, love from Africa, guys. Kindly, whoever who watch this video, it will be shame on you if you won't subscribe. It won't cost anything, guys. Kindly, I'm requesting subscribe. Kublay, Shibon, Mensim, Jonga, PRAH VPP, love from Africa, Bamba Club. Till next time.